Welcome to World Famous Foods. Today we're doing a chicken and broccoli recipe. Better than takeout. Let's cook. Okay, so let's marinate our chicken. We got some vegetable oil. Some garlic powder. Onion powder. Some smoked paprika. And some baking powder. Just mix this all up together. Okay, now we're gonna mix our sauce. Got some cornstarch. Then we got some soy sauce. Got some oyster sauce. And some sesame oil. And some Hoisin sauce. Just mix this together. I'm gonna add a little water to this and mix it all together. Okay, now we're gonna fry our chicken. Just do it for a couple minutes per side. Okay, we're gonna take our chicken out. Now we're going to add our garlic and our ginger. Oh, what an aroma, what an aroma. Shane Nesbitt out there in Arizona, check this out, boy. You do this for all of your classmates. Okay, we're going to add some bell peppers. And our broccoli. Add a little sauce. And add some Habaneros. Oh yeah. And our chicken. And the rest of our sauce. All right, folks. The recipe is done. Here we have our world famous foods, chicken and broccoli. Look at that. Time to enjoy some good food. That's better than takeout.